Would have thought that with just a few signal wires plus a splitter, you can make an antenna receiver that can easily receive hundreds of signals, and the TV will not lag when you switch channels at will. Come take a look. Let's see how it is made. First of all, you need to use a couple of signal wires. Use a wire wrapper to remove the outer skin of the signal wire. Peel off the inner cotton body until the inner core is exposed. Then get a signal cable connector. Insert it into the signal cable above. Will be tightened vigorously after the completion of the signal cable to ensure that the core of the signal cable just can be exposed. Then another signal wire with the same technique to remove the skin. Set the signal connector. Finally, cut the two signal wires to the same length. Next, you need to cut the skin of the signal wire a centimeter from the signal connector and clean out the cotton body inside, leaving only the copper core inside. This is what it looks like when you're done. Next, you need to get a signal splitter like this one and unscrew the connector that comes with it. Then screw the finished signal wires in turn on top of the splitter's connector. Bend the two copper wires in opposite directions with pliers. Measure the distance between the two wires by 3 centimeters and mark them with a marker. Then, as in the video, bend them upwards and mark the two copper wires at a distance of 2 centimeters each. Then you need to weld a suction point on the marking point, and then find a few copper wire. Will be wrapped around the cone, made into a spring. A total of 3 need to be made out, then welded on top of the suction point just made. So a signal receiver is ready. Next, you just need to find a longer signal cable. One end is fixed in the splitter main connector. The other end is fixed in the TV set can be. We can see that the TV has a picture, and clear and smooth. The picture can be switched at will, and will not lag. This signal receiver is not very powerful. If the full score is 10 points, how many points are you willing to give?